Well, you can also have images as link. So let's create a folder first. Well, I have already created a folder. Let's create again. So folder images. Let's put any picture here. So let's copy this one, copy, and then images, repeat in the Explorer, images, paste. Let me rename is image1 so we can recognize it easily. Image1.jpg. Okay, that's good. So, and let's close this one, images as link. So what we have to do is A, and then page name is, well, we can always say that open that page, and here we can have image and the source. These are the two properties, source and images. So the source and alt. So it means, for example, the first property, which is source, here you have to choose the image which you want, this one, okay. And the second one is the alt. For example, if for any other reason this image is deleted from your server or wherever, and you can always put the name. So we can do red flowers, you see. So for example, if I remove this one, you see it is saying red flowers. So then you can recognize what kind of image did you put there. So Control Z, the image is back. So what we are trying to do is that whenever I click here, it will navigate me to the page 1. Okay, so when I click here, it goes directly to the page 1. Let's come back again. I will explain you how it works. So if you do Control S, it will reformat everything. So this is how you put the first tag, which is A for the link. You say I want to go to that page when I click on this image. Okay, so image, this is another tag, and A, this is another tag. So basically what you have done, you have embedded image tag into A tag. You can always style it. For example, let's change the style here, style of this one, like you can change the width and the height. You can change width like 400 pixel, okay, and height like 400 pixel. Okay, you can always put the, so you can change the properties as well, or you can modify the properties. So here what we have seen is A tag, and inside the A we have the image tag. It has two properties. One is source and one is alt, like alternative. If for any reason the image has been deleted from your server, you will be always able to see that tag. So this is how we can put images as link.